Introducing Listen Text, your go-to app for turning text into a delightful listening experience. Imagine a world where you can listen instead of read. Listen Text transforms any text into an immersive listening experience, making your life simpler and more efficient. Just copy your text, paste it into Listen Text, and hit play. It's that easy. With Listen Text, your text plays in the background just like your favorite music. No need to keep the app open. Traditional reading can be cumbersome, especially with long texts. But with Listen Text, you can transcend these limitations effortlessly. Let's explore the 3 quick speech options. Simply select your text, and with a quick action, Listen Text turns it into a captivating speech. Your words, your way. Sharing is caring. Share text from articles, messages, or emails directly to Listen Text. Instantly start enjoying your content hassle-free. Transform the way you engage with written content. Download Listen Text now and open the door to a world of effortless listening. Your stories, your time, Listen Text, your text-to-speech solution.